To successfully install your pSIM, you'll need a SIM remover. You should only do the following when you are ready for departure and you have activated your pSIM. You need to make sure your device is turned off before continuing. While your device is off, grab your SIM remover and slide it into the hole to remove your SIM tray from your device. Once removed, you'll be able to place your next travel pSIM into an open slot in your SIM tray. Slide your SIM tray back into your device and then power your device back on. Next, open your browser and enter the following on-screen link. Once downloaded, tap on Allow and then tap on iPhone. Once finished, head back to your mobile data settings page and look for the new profile downloaded at the top. Finally, to finish the install process, tap on Install in the top right, then tap on Next and Install at the bottom of the screen. Lastly, head back to the mobile data settings page and turn on data roaming. Congratulations, your next Travel Connect pSIM should be installed on your device.